Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a burrito using 2 tortillas. This method ensures a sturdy and generously filled burrito every time. First, take 2 large flour tortillas, about 10 inches in diameter. Lay them on a clean surface, overlapping by approximately 1/3 of their width. This creates an elongated base, perfect for holding all your delicious ingredients without tearing. Gently warm them for about 15 seconds in the microwave to make them more flexible. Now it's time for the fillings. Imagine a line running across the center of your overlapped tortillas. This is where your main ingredients will go. Avoid overfilling, as this can make rolling difficult and messy. Leave about 1.5 inches of clear space on the short ends of the tortillas. Distribute your chosen fillings, like rice, beans, and protein, evenly along this central line for a perfectly balanced bite in every single mouthful. The folding technique is crucial for a secure burrito. Begin by folding the 2 short ends of the tortillas inward over the edges of your fillings. This creates a neat, enclosed package. Next, take the long edge of the tortilla closest to you and bring it up and over the fillings, tucking it in tightly. Then, continue to roll the burrito forward, applying gentle pressure until it is completely sealed. You'll have a perfectly wrapped, robust burrito. To finish your masterpiece, consider giving your burrito a quick grill or pan fry. This step, for about 2 minutes per side, helps to seal the edges, preventing any delicious fillings from escaping. It also adds a wonderful golden brown color and a slight crispness to the tortilla, enhancing the overall texture. Once warmed through, you can cut your burrito in half diagonally for a classic presentation and easier enjoyment. Now, dig in and savor your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.